Ever wished you could breeze through your daily errands without fumbling for cash? Tired of long queues at the counter? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of GrabPay, the convenient and seamless digital wallet that's revolutionizing how we pay. So, you're curious about GrabPay, but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from setting up your account to making payments, and even exploring the exciting rewards and perks that come with it. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is GrabPay? Simply put, it's a digital wallet that allows you to store money electronically and use it for a wide range of transactions. Think of it as your digital version of a physical wallet, but with superpowers. Setting up your GrabPay account. Getting started is a breeze. Download the Grab app. If you haven't already, download the Grab app from your App Store or Play Store. Create an account, register with your mobile number, and follow the on-screen instructions. Verify your identity. You might be required to verify your identity by submitting a photo of your ID. Fund your wallet. You can easily top up your GrabPay balance through various methods like bank transfers, credit/debit cards, or even convenient in-app options. Making payments with GrabPay. Now, let's get to the exciting part, using your GrabPay. In-app payments. Seamlessly pay for your Grab rides, food deliveries, and other Grab services directly within the app. QR code payments. Scan QR codes at participating merchants to make quick and easy payments. Online payments. Use GrabPay to make online purchases at a wide range of e-commerce platforms. Send money. Transfer funds to friends and family instantly and securely. Exploring GrabPay rewards. One of the best things about GrabPay is the incredible rewards and perks you can enjoy. Exclusive deals. Unlock exclusive discounts and promotions from various merchants. Loyalty programs. Earn points and redeem them for exciting rewards like free rides, cashback, and more. Contests and giveaways. Participate in exciting contests and giveaways for a chance to win amazing prizes. Tips for using GrabPay safely and securely. Strong passwords. Create strong and unique passwords for your GrabPay account. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your account by enabling two-factor authentication. Be mindful of phishing scams. Be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or calls that ask for your GrabPay credentials. Report any suspicious activity. If you notice any suspicious activity on your account, report it immediately to Grab support. Beyond the basics. GrabPay is constantly evolving, offering new features and services to enhance your user experience. GrabPay MasterCard. Enjoy the convenience of a physical card linked to your GrabPay balance. Grab Financial Services. Explore a range of financial services offered by Grab, such as loans and insurance. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to using GrabPay. With its convenience, security, and rewarding features, GrabPay is truly transforming the way we pay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.